cancel your Mailchimp subscription, follow these steps. Log in. Visit the Mailchimp website and log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Account Settings. Access Billing Details. In the Account Settings or Billing section, locate the Billing or Plan tab. Click on it to access your subscription details and billing information. Cancel subscription. Look for an option to cancel your subscription. This might be labeled as Cancel Plan or Downgrade Plan. Click on this option to proceed with the cancellation process. Confirm cancellation. Mailchimp may ask you to confirm your decision to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts and confirm the cancellation. Review confirmation. After confirming the cancellation, review any confirmation message or email sent by Mailchimp. This should confirm the cancellation of your subscription and provide details about the end date of your subscription access. Check for further action. Ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled and that you won't be billed further. Also, verify if there are any additional steps required, such as exporting your data or contacts before your account is deactivated.